In this video, I'll show you how to verify your phone number on Roblox. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, everything I want to say in this video is basically for educational purpose only. So ensure you watch through all I'm going to do now. Right now, head over to your Roblox, right? So this is my Roblox, and what I'm going to do right now, for me to be able to verify my phone number, I'm going to head over to these settings right here. Once I click on these settings, wait for it to load. Once it has opened up, I'm going to click on these settings right here. Right, it's going to load up right now. So from this, I'm going to see something. So I'm going to click on, okay, yeah, so you're going to see this phone number, right? So this is the phone number. You can see phone number. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this add phone, right? Once I click on add phone, you receive a one-time verification code on WhatsApp, SMS message. So you're going to just come on here and type your number. Once you are done, you're going to click on this continue, and you're going to receive a message on WhatsApp, and from there you can be able to verify your phone number. So this is basically a step-by-step video, so I won't love to add mine right here. So this is how you can do that. If you want this video helpful, please share it out below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.